Okay guys, so today we're gonna see if we can apply this brand new amazing foundation to half of my face holding a puppy, because sometimes you're holding babies and holding all the other things. So let's see if she'll cooperate. We're gonna go ahead. This is the best foundation ever. Put some drops in there. We're just gonna do a half face just to show you guys this awesome coverage. One-handed, because why not? And this foundation does have skincare in it, you guys. And then it also, I mean, when I use it, I really don't even need to use concealer. I will if I want to like brighten my under eye area. But for the most part, this is what I do. And you can do like double layers if you want more coverage. You can do a little bit less if you want less coverage. But mission accomplished, good girl river. Okay, you guys, so beautiful touch serum, nada. You guys see the difference? So it's awesome because it gives you like a little bit of a glow. It doesn't pack too much coverage, but it does in the same time. It still makes you feel like you, if that makes sense. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. I just took her for a walk, so she's exhausted. I wanted to share this really quick. If you need a new color match, let me know. Otherwise, just stick with your same shade. Head to ashleyandadler.com, grab your goodies, and enjoy your beautiful skincare and foundation in a bottle.